everybody, it's Ames Makes Time.
Today, we are making something different. There's no candy in it, like all the other Ames Bakes. But, and my favorite part of this one, we're using this ginormous cucumber. And also, we're gonna use, so yummy. I tried it before, it was very yummy. Today's recipe is very special because it's my Gigi Barb's recipe. It is called Kansas cucumber salad. When my Gigi sees this, she's gonna be so excited. These are all the ingredients you're gonna need: sugar, salt, cucumbers, onions. Make sure the green onions, vinegar, mayonnaise, dill weed. Dill weed is a type of herb. Now I could just slice my cucumbers, but how do you slice my cucumbers? I think I almost did it. Can you show me, Mama? First, you cut off your ends. Saw. It's like a saw. Saw.
You did it.
Oh, look at it. It's like a tiny mountain. And you just slice them into little discs.
That's a perfect one.
Oopsies. I see how good they look. So your next step, you're gonna measure half a cup of mayonnaise. That's so sticky. Next, we're gonna add in a cup of sugar. It's sugar. Next, you add 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Vinegar. Fourth a teaspoon of Dill Weed. Now you do a fourth of a teaspoon of salt also. The kind I kind of like. Ooh, sugar. Then you add in your diced green onions. You want to see how it looks? Somewhere. Got to pat in here. You want to see? Ooh. I don't like the smell, but I do like the taste.
Mix it up.
We're done. You want to see? It looks like snow on cucumbers. And I'm going to try one. That's good stuff. Store it in the refrigerator. Eat it whenever you want. And it can last for 7 days.
Oh my, that's so much taste. It's out of control.
That's a lot of these. Yeah. I want to say a very special thank you to my Gigi Barb who made this recipe. Thank you, Gigi Barb. I love you so much, Gigi Barb. See you next time.